How to use crowdfunding to fund your next business idea. Launching a new business idea is exciting until you hit the funding wall. Traditional routes like bank loans or angel investors can be slow, restrictive, or out of reach. That's where crowdfunding steps in. A powerful, modern way to raise capital and validate your idea before you even launch. Done right, crowdfunding isn't just about money, it's about momentum, community, and credibility. Here's how to use it strategically to turn your next idea into a funded reality. What is crowdfunding and why it works? Crowdfunding allows you to raise small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically through online platforms. In exchange, backers may receive early access to your product, exclusive perks, equity, or simply the satisfaction of supporting a great idea. Why it works so well? You validate demand before building at scale. You keep control, no bank, no VC pressure depending on the model. You build a loyal customer base from day one. Popular platforms include Kickstarter, Indiegogo, GoFundMe, and Seed Invest, each catering to different goals and funding models. Step 1. Choose the right crowdfunding model. Not all crowdfunding is created equal. Pick the model that aligns with your business vision. Reward-based. Backers receive products or perks, great for consumer products. Equity-based. Backers get a stake in your company, ideal for startups with growth potential. Donation-based. Supporters give without expecting returns, best for social or mission-driven ideas. Debt-based. Funds are repaid with interest, similar to peer-to-peer lending. Pro tip: if you're launching a physical or digital product, reward-based crowdfunding is often the best starting point. Step 2. Craft a story people want to back. People don't just fund ideas, they fund stories. Your campaign should clearly answer: what problem are you solving? Why does it matter now? Why are you the right person to solve it? Use emotional storytelling paired with clarity. Share your why, your struggle, and your vision. Authenticity beats polish every time. Step 3. Create eye-catching campaign assets. First impressions matter big time. Your campaign should include a short, compelling video, 60 to 120 seconds is ideal. Clean visuals, mock-ups, or prototypes. Clear, benefit-driven copy, focus on outcomes, not just features. Make it easy for someone to understand your idea in under 30 seconds. Step 4. Set a smart funding goal. Don't aim for the moon on day one. Your funding goal should cover essential costs: production, marketing, fulfillment, platform fees. Be realistic and achievable. Build confidence for early backers. Many platforms use an all-or-nothing model. If you don't hit your goal, you get nothing. Strategic goal setting is critical. Step 5. Offer irresistible rewards. Your rewards are the engine of conversions. Great rewards are clearly tiered, entry level to premium, exclusive or limited time, aligned with your product or mission. Early bird rewards create urgency and can help kickstart momentum in the crucial first 48 hours. Step 6. Promote like a pro before and during launch. Crowdfunding success rarely comes from the platform alone. Before launch, build an email list. Tease on social media. Reach out to communities, blogs, and influencers. During launch, post regular updates. Celebrate milestones publicly. Engage with every comment and question. Momentum attracts momentum. Step 7. Deliver and build long-term trust. Funding is just the beginning. Keep backers updated. Be transparent about delays or challenges, and deliver on your promises. A successful campaign can turn into repeat customers, brand ambassadors, proof for future investors or retailers. Trust is your most valuable post-campaign asset. Final thoughts. Crowdfunding isn't a shortcut, it's a strategy. When done thoughtfully, it can fund your idea, validate your market, and build a community that believes in you before you even launch. If you have a compelling idea, a clear value proposition, and the willingness to show up authentically, crowdfunding can be the spark that turns your vision into a real, thriving business. Ready to launch. The crowd is waiting.